In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Nadra fee by Easypaisa. To get started, open the Nadra website and go to the payment guidelines page. This is the best place to begin because it shows the official payment options and helps you confirm whether Easypaisa is available for the service you want to use. If you're paying a Nadra fee for the first time, taking a moment to review this page can help you avoid confusion later. Once you're on the page, look for the section called Modes of Payment. This area lists the different payment methods accepted by Nadra. It's important to check this section carefully so you know which payment option applies to your document or service. The payment methods may vary depending on the type of application, so always rely on the latest information shown on the official page. In the list of available options, you'll be able to see Easypaisa. Keep in mind that, according to the page, Easypaisa is available for SmartNacy and FRC only. This is a very important detail, because if you're applying for a different service, you may need to choose another payment method instead. So before moving forward, make sure your application falls under one of these supported categories. After confirming that Easypaisa is accepted for your service, scroll down the page. As you move lower, you'll find the instructions that explain the process for paying through Easypaisa. This part is especially helpful because it gives you the official guidance directly from Nadra, which makes it easier to follow the right procedure. Take your time to read through the steps shown there. Make sure you don't skip any details, especially if the instructions mention reference information, service selection, or confirmation prompts inside Easypaisa. Following the official sequence exactly can help prevent payment errors and save you time. From here, simply follow the steps provided on the Nadra payment guidelines page for Easypaisa. As you go through the process, double-check each screen before confirming your payment. That's a good habit whenever you're making an online fee payment, especially for government-related services. And that's it. The main thing to remember is to first verify that Easypaisa is supported for your Nadra service, then scroll down and use the official instructions provided on the payment guidelines page. If you found this helpful, feel free to use the same approach anytime you need to confirm a Nadra payment method in the future.